Greetings webmasters, thanks for checking out another Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. This is for BlueHost, currently offering up to 75% off. Here is the deal: Black Friday sale, the lowest prices of the year for BlueHost web hosting. And I actually currently have a BlueHosting plan right now, and I have no complaints so far. And is this Black Friday sale actually legit, or is this just a fake sale? So here is the price, $265 a month. And let's check out my website here where I recommend the top 5 web hosting deals. BlueHost, at the time when I was reviewing these top 5 hosting companies, the price for BlueHost was $2.95 per month for the lowest price at that time. So currently right now, the cheapest price is $2.65 per month for this Black Friday sale. It also includes a free domain and free SSL, along with all the cPanel features, one-click installs. Let's click here to see more features about the plan. Here are the prices again, and I currently actually have this plan right now, the Plus hosting plan, which allows unlimited website hosting. I find that a better deal than the single website, but if you only have one website, this is a better price for you. So for the price of $265, there is a catch. You have to prepay for 12 months. So let's select right here to order the plan, and during the sign up page you will see your price right here, 12 months for $2.65, and for some reason the 36-month price is not discounted. It's at $5 per month. So your best price is the 12-month price for $265 a month, which equals $31.80, and the final price $31.80, 73% off, a savings of $88. Make sure you uncheck any of these that you don't want. These are optional add-ons not needed to host your websites. Like I've mentioned, I do have a current web hosting plan with BlueHost, and I make tutorial videos on BlueHost regularly. So I am a current customer, and I do recommend BlueHost. It's a legit quality hosting service. My website has 100% uptime so far, and I am quite happy with the service. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and happy shopping.